guys. It's me, Bentley, or Bentonator, and it's my sister, Annabelle. And we today are going to be playing with the slime that we got from the Easter Bunny.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I could barely sleep because of the Easter Bunny. But,
yeah. It's really hard because it's multicolored slime.
1 second.
Mine's got all mixed up. It's crazy. Here, let me just
Well, I already got something, so bye.
Blue slime.
Happy Easter! Here you go. Thank you. These
Purple.
These are, so this is glittery purple. And then I'll grab my green slime. And this is our green slime. And this is our blue color. Actually, comment down below, what's your favorite color of all these? Is it your, my favorite color is actually blue and purple out of these colors.
I have to say mine is green because it is my favorite color.
And blue.
Well, Mr. Bunny here chooses purple.
Yeah.
Actually, that's
Mr. Bunny chooses purple and blue, actually.
My bunny,
But her very favorite color is
Mrs. Bunny chooses purple. My
Yeah.
bunny chooses purple.
her comment down below what did you get for Easter? If it's your Easter time. Comment down below, please. Take this out.
This is galactic slime.
Yeah.
So it's kind of hard to get. Emma, I can't get the container.
Okay, I just need to help my brother.
I do not have sharp nails. Hello.
Oh yeah.
Hi to the
Comment
people.
down below
Hello.
if you like your dog.
Yeah, Bella. Say hi.
Say hi, Bella. Say hi. No. Okay, she needs to go. So
Bye.
bye.
No, down. Down.
Okay. Okay, let's get back to the slime.
Container out yet?
No, it's too hard. Anyways, guys, let's get back to the slime video. So, by the way, make sure to give us a thumbs up and ring the bell.
But first, you have to hit the subscribe.
Yeah, let's see if you could do a 5-second countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You better subscribe, and if you subscribe, make sure to comment down below, and see you later.
And I hope we can hit 10 likes on this video.
Yeah, 10 likes.
10 likes. And the next video,
So-
10 likes. Then the next video, 10 likes. Then the next
So,
video, 10 likes.
Bye.
Video, 10 likes. But
Bye.
I'm not ready to go yet.
Yeah.
Only she is. Because
Yeah,
I
so-
still need to show you that I can't open this.